If you want to cast YouTube app to TV on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, it is fairly simple. If you open the YouTube app, then in the upper right corner you can usually find this screencasting button. It is usually a rectangle with the Wi-Fi icon. We can tap over here in order to try to select a device that we want to connect to, and in case your TV or anything else cannot be found over here on this list, then of course we can choose a link with TV code, and over here we can enter the TV code. We can also find out how to get the TV code, and then you should be able to easily connect with your TV. And you don't have to cast the screen from the main menu of YouTube. You can also just start playing a video, and usually you can find this screencasting button at any point, whether you are watching a video or if you are in the menu or if you're looking for a video. Usually the button is visible over there. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.